Managing a dental office can feel like taming a whirlwind, endless paperwork, patient scheduling, and the constant buzz of office activity. Sound familiar? You start your day with mountains of paperwork, from patient documentation to consent forms. Then there's the scheduling marathon, handling cancellations, verifying insurance verifications, and ensuring compliance, all while trying to provide best patient care. It's overwhelming, isn't it? Imagine turning chaos into order. mConsent helps streamline your front office to transform it into the epicenter of calm and efficiency. Don't just take our word for it. Listen to those who've made the switch. With mConsent, going paperless is just the beginning. Our digital kiosk and iPad app streamline patient intake. Online scheduling empowers patients to book their appointments anytime, and automated reminders cut down no-shows. Our HIPAA-compliant messaging ensures you stay connected without compliance worries. And the best part? Insurance verifications are completed in seconds, freeing up your staff to focus on what really matters, your patients. Hear how Maria from Blatchley Family Dentistry appreciates how patients no longer need to fill out cumbersome paper packets. Ready to transform your dental office with mConsent? Request a demo today and join thousands of satisfied practices who are excelling in practice efficiency and patient care.